win 99.9% of your arguments. If you go in a person's house and they microwave ain't clean, or if they toilet ain't clean, you could definitely win 99.999% of arguments if a person's toilet and they microwave ain't clean. If you inside of a person's house and y'all get into a little disagreement or argument or whatever happens, pay attention to their toilet, pay attention to their microwave, because you don't won the argument. You have won the argument if they shit is not clean. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. Holla at me. Like, comment, share.